February may look quiet, but beneath the surface, the garden is waking up. The days are lengthening and the sun's angle is shifting, subtle signals that life is stirring underground. While the world above seems still, the soil below is ready for gentle encouragement. This is not a time for heavy work, but for preparing the foundation of the coming season. The choices we make now set the stage for a thriving garden. February isn't for waiting, it's for activating the living ecosystem beneath our feet. Soil isn't just dirt, it's a complex, breathing community of organisms. By working with these natural rhythms, we give our gardens a head start. The real growing season begins now, in this overlooked month. Prepare the soil, nurture its life, and you'll reap the rewards all year. The secret to a healthy garden starts with what we do in February. Let's unlock the potential hidden just below the surface. Manure is a classic soil amendment, but timing is everything. In February, the soil's microbial life is mostly dormant, slowed by the cold. Spreading manure now means nutrients stay locked away, unused. The microbes that break down manure need warmth to get to work. Instead of feeding the soil, we're just storing manure on top, risking nutrient runoff. The real solution? Focus on gently waking the soil's microbial community. Don't overwhelm sleeping soil with heavy amendments. Prepare it for spring by activating the life already present. A smarter approach means healthier soil and less waste. Let's wake the underground workers, not just pile on food they can't eat. Healthy soil teems with billions of microorganisms, nature's true gardeners. In winter, these microbes are dormant, waiting for the right signal to awaken. What they need isn't more manure, but a quick, digestible energy source and moisture. Simple sugars, like those in molasses, can jumpstart their metabolism. Feed them now and their populations will surge, transforming the soil. As microbes multiply, they create structure, crumbly, airy soil that holds water and breathes. This process, called aggregation, is the foundation of fertile earth. By waking the soil life in February, we set the stage for spring growth. The result, soil that drains well, holds nutrients, and supports strong roots. It's a small act with a big impact, turning winter's stillness into spring's abundance. Activate the underground army, and your garden will thank you. The secret is in the timing and the right kind of food. The best way to wake your soil? Brew a simple compost tea. Start with a bucket of rainwater or dechlorinated tap water. Add a handful of finished compost or worm castings in a mesh bag. Stir in a tablespoon of unsulfured blackstrap molasses. This is the microbes' instant energy. For best results, aerate the mixture with an aquarium pump for 24 to 48 hours. The result, a living liquid, rich with beneficial bacteria and fungi. It should smell sweet and earthy, a sign of thriving life. This microbial activator is ready to pour onto your garden beds and containers. No heavy lifting, no complex tools, just a natural, effective way to jump-start your soil. This simple tonic transforms dormant earth into a vibrant ecosystem. It's easy, affordable, and incredibly powerful. Give your soil a living feast and watch it come alive. Once your compost tea is brewed, dilute it to the colour of weak tea. Drench your garden beds and containers, letting the living liquid soak in. This single February application sparks a biological transformation underground. For in-ground beds and containers alike, it's a game-changer. Afterward, Cover the soil with mulch, leaves, straw or wood chips to insulate and feed the microbes. This early boost gives your soil a head start, weeks before planting. Seeds and seedlings will thrive in a warm, active, living environment. The result: faster growth, stronger roots, and bigger harvests. A simple act in February pays off all season long. Start early, nurture your soil, and your garden will flourish.